Zachary, this is my bike check. Running a couple new parts. Start off with a frame, Haro SD, 21.25 top tube. I got, go to the front, I got stolen cell bars, 8.65 rise. I love them. The Deco Shuko grips, they're from Walmart and they suck. So yeah, not worth it. That's a week of riding and that's like not good at all. I got the profile push stem, We the People forks. I'm not sure which ones they are, but they're light. Bicycle Union front hub laced to an Alienation PBR rim and Bicycle Union hub. And Duo Stunner low tire in the front with white wall, and the amber seat and amber sprocket. I got these because I sent back my Ezra pedals to Flats Plus because they broke. I only had them for 2 weeks, so I told them I needed a seat and sprocket, so they hooked me up. I got the Profile Slim Jim C-clamp, and I got the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals, Ezra cranks. I love them. They're light, seem to be holding up pretty good, and they're cheap, like 80 bucks, brand new. I got the Stolen Revolver bottom bracket and the amber half-link chain. It's the same thing as the Shadow, same exact thing pretty much, or the Mechanic half-link. It was exactly the same. Got the Madeira back hub laced to a Sun Rhino light and a Duo Stunner low tire in the back, white wall. And the headset, I forgot about the headset. It's a stolen headset, but it's got an FSA headset cap, spacer, what do you want to call it. But here's what my hub sounds like. Alright, just use a dog crap on my tire. I got a pretty bad hop in my wheel. Oh well. So it is. And that's my bike.